I just got my brand new Zebo Box in the mail, probably for the next 3 months. I'm super excited. I've never seen what's inside, so you're gonna be seeing this for the first time, same as me. So these are all the things I got with the Zebo Box. So we got our toothbrush here. It looks really good. It has good, it feels, what's the word I'm looking for? It feels very sturdy. So that's really good. This is the bar soap that came with it. This is both face and body soap, I believe. Actually, what's really interesting is the toothpaste capsule. So this is for zero waste toothpaste, because you know when you have the tube, it creates a lot of waste. But this also will travel really well, right? And when you're at the airport and they're telling you what size tube you can have, well, you don't have to worry about that with these. So I thought this was really cool. Next is the detergent for clothes. So this is also zero waste and it feels pretty good. But this is interesting. So this is shampoo. This will be the first time that I'm actually ever using a bar for shampoo, and then so your soap lasts a long time. We have these soap bar holders, and also it came with a brush. So I can say everything looks really good. It looks really high quality. You should definitely check it out. So you saw everything that came with the box. I'm super happy with it. Everything looks like it's really high quality. I definitely think you should check it out if you're interested in helping the earth and making it so you're using or creating zero waste.